Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning about Python Dictionary Part 2. So let us begin. Python's Dictionary Part 2. So let's begin. Check if key exists. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. Dictionary length. To determine how many times that are key value pairs a dictionary has, use the len function with small brackets. Adding items. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Removing items. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. They are pop item, del that only removes the item with a specified key name, or del keyword that can delete the dictionary completely, and the clear method empties the dictionary. Copy a dictionary. You can copy a dictionary by simply typing dict2 equals to dict1, because dict2 will only be a reference to dict1 and changes made in dict1 will automatically be made in dict2. There are ways to make a copy. One is used to the built-in dictionary method copy. And now we are going to go to the codes. For that, let's go to Jupyter Notebook and new Python 3, and now let's go to the codes we have here. This is the first code. Now let's run. Yes, the model is one of the keys in the dictionary. This is check if key exists. Now the next code is the length of the dictionary. So let us see. Print len and small brackets 3. It has 3. Brand, model year, that is respectively Ford, Mustang, 1964. Now let's see the next one, that is adding items. Yes, this and brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, and we have added color is red. Next is we are going to remove items. This is the pop method. Now we're going to run, and it has removed model from it. Next is the second type, that is pop item. Let's see what this time goes. Now if we run, it has removed year from the dictionary. Next is another type, that is del. We have specified the value, that's why it won't completely delete the dictionary. And now model is going to be removed from it, as you have seen. Now if we run it, it has removed model. Next is, this will be cause an error. Next is completely deleting the dictionary, that is del this dict. It will cause an error because this dict no longer exists. So let's check it. Now if we run, this will cause an error because this dict no longer exists. Yes. Next is code is this dictionary. Next is only 2 more codes. This is clear, empties the dictionary. If we run it, nothing. As you have seen, it has given empty curly brackets. Next is copy. This is a copy of dictionary, and as you have seen, if I run it, it has copied this and printed. This is actually this dictionary. My dictionary equals to this dictionary dot copy. That is a copy of this dictionary. And if you print my dictionary, It will come brand for model Mustang year 1964. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.